today's material. I'm Ginny, if you don't know me, from the beautiful Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I own learnwithginny.com, and today I'm going to share with you how to put a watermark on your Canva designs. Hey, good morning. This is Ginny from the beautiful Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I own learnwithginny.com, and I'm going to share with you how to put watermarks on your photos for Canva. A lot of us like to share photos and quotes and stuff on our timelines, especially in the home business industry. And if you create it and make it your own, you can put your little tag on there as like a watermark, and it kind of, I don't know, it kind of makes it yours. It gives you a copyright kind of brand. That's the word I'm looking for. Anyway, so I'm going to share my screen and show you that. Let's see. There is Canva. Okay. So I am going to create a design. And for those, I usually use Instagram just because it's square and it shares nicely on a lot of social media platforms. And the square ones just look better for quotes. Now, I took a photo the other day. I'm going to upload it from my computer. Maybe I should have did this before I popped on here, but let's see. And it was yesterday. My folders are all by, there it is. Okay. This was our pond, and it's beautiful and reflective and dreamy, and that's why I want to use it, because the quote I'm using there is now, you know, you can apply filters and stuff in here, but I don't know if there's anything I might want to fade it a little bit because I want the quote to stand out. Oh, I like that. Okay, so I'm going to add the text. And the quote was, "Do as you dare to dream." And you can't see it very well, so we're going to make it pop. And I showed you how to do that the other day, but we'll do it again. Do I like the black on white or the white on black? I think I like the black on white. Maybe not. I'm playing around with it a little bit here, so bear with me. And where did I get this quote from? It was from my friend's mastermind, Deep Abyss. If you want to come to it, it's every third Thursday. And I'm going to put her name on here because that's where I got it from. I don't know if it came from anywhere else. I did Google it just to see, but I didn't find it anywhere. So, and here, let's see. this down. And I'm going to change the font. Probably got to select it, hey. I'm running out of time, so I got to get this done. Oh, here we go. That's what I want. And I think I'll make that black. There we go. And I'll add white to the back. Yeah. I just wanted to make it a little bit different color. Okay. Good enough. Now this is the part I wanted to show you, adding a watermark. So I'm going to add a little subheading. I'm going to put it, I don't know, somewhere in the upper hand corner. I can put, you know, either my website or my tag, you know, and I like to use the tag actually because you can use that to find me anywhere, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. And I want it to be small, so I'm going to make it smaller. Oh, that's too small. Way too small. Let's try, yeah, that's probably good. And I'm going to make it, let's see, black. And then this is how you just choose this little guy, this transparency guy, and you'll find that in photo editing tools too, like GIMP. They don't call it transparency in there, you use layers. It's a little bit more complicated because that's actual photo editing. But I think that will do, right? That is how you put a watermark on. Pretty easy, right? So then I will share that on my Instagram. I'll download it on my phone and upload it to where I want to share it. So I hope you found that helpful. And do as you dare to dream means, oh, I got to click stop sharing. There we go. Do it. So go out and do it, guys. Make it a great day. And I'll see you next time.